Fostering Intercultural Communicative Competence of Servicio Nacional de Aprendizaje SENA apprentices via pedagogical strategies through virtual exchanges in English. This is a presentation by Pulgarin Cruz, Rubén Alberto, and Forero Guerrero Daniel Felipe in August 2021. This is the task-based activities on a virtual exchange strategy using the Moodle resource to foster intercultural communicative competence. Introduction. The pedagogical proposal, intercultural communicative competence and virtual exchange. A virtual exchange is a pedagogical activity where two courses from different countries use internet to exchange and learn from their cultures and improve communication and language skills. In this pedagogical proposal, apprentices from SENA, Colombia, and students from Nagasaki International University in Japan use internet via Moodle to connect and exchange cultural perspectives in English language through a series of task-based activities. The task-based sequence deals with pre-task, task, and post-task activities. The exchange among students is carried out in asynchronous forums, so local and foreign participants establish communication in English in a secure Moodle site called ivproject.org. All this task-based setup has been planned and designed in order to encourage intercultural communicative competence, develop intercultural awareness, foster communication in English language, and strengthen digital literacy. The Moodle site. The name of the website in order to carry out the virtual exchange is ivproject.org. This is the site where the virtual exchange meeting point, Colombian and Japanese students get together to carry out the exchange. The Moodle setup. When students access Moodle, they see the virtual exchange course they are enrolled. The name of this online exchange contact hub is course in Moodle language for the proposal is Virtual Exchange SENA Girardot NIU Japan 2021. The virtual exchange task-based activities. The exchange is set up in a series of digital task-based activities. There are 5 tasks. First, a 2-week pre-exchange stage, then an 8-week exchange performance, and finally, a week 9 closure. This is the page where the task activities will be carried out. The following are the tasks for our virtual exchange pedagogical proposal. Task 1, that is in weeks -2 and -1, this is previous to the communication exchange, deals with the familiarization with Moodle platform and the tools for the interaction with foreign friends. The name is Task 1, Intercultural Online Platform, Familiarization. Task 2, that begins in weeks 1 and 2, requires participants to make a personal presentation and share valuable information about their lives and the culture from their country. The name of the task 2 is Cultural Autobiography. Task 3, that goes from weeks 3, 4, and 5, requires participants to value foreign culture by means of analyzing results of differences and similarities from a cultural questionnaire. The name of Task 3 is Differences and Similarities of Our Cultures. Task 4, that is from weeks 6, 7, and 8, requires participants to teamwork with their foreign friends to make a joint presentation and share intercultural perspectives from the two cultures. This task 4 is called intercultural perspectives between Japan and Colombia. The last task, Task 5, that happens in week 9, requires participants to make a reflection about the exchange experience, the good things they learned, and what can be improved for maybe following exchanges in the future. So every single task-based activity from the 5 tasks is composed of pre-task, task, and post-task activities. For example, the pre-task activities seek to motivate and lead exchange communication experience between foreign and local participants in what we call in the following part, the part 2, the forum exchange. So here we can see the pre-task activities before dealing with the forum, and here we can see the forum activity. In the part 2, the task is basically the forum activity, yes? So in this case, the foreign and local English language structures lead the development of the task activities, and of course, the structures need to be prepared to foster interculturalism during the performance of the virtual exchange, especially in the forum exchange task, which is the point of contact, the exchange contact among participants, yes? And of course, there are some other important pedagogical activities after the forum participation. In the forum, the asynchronous forums, yes? All interactions happen in the asynchronous forums. The 5 task-based activities on the pedagogical proposal motivate students to exchange messages in English, share cultural views, and carry out specific pedagogical intercultural activities. For example, in the exchange forums, the Japanese and Colombian students can interact and carry out the task activities plan for the virtual exchange pedagogical proposal. For example, they can exchange messages and they can include text, images, audio, and videos if they want. The replies and interaction, of course, are encouraged. English is the common language to establish communication among participants. Reading and writing skills are improved while contacting and exchanging the messages among the participants. These structures, of course, focus on forms in the post-task stage 2. Thank you very much.